Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 23 to 29, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So, promote ko lang ang Pisces bracelet. So, this is in alignment sa Pisces energy. Meron tong amethyst, aquamarine, and green jade. So, this is available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Okay. So, let us begin. Pisces. October 23 to 29. Wow, you have the Six of Staves. You are gaining a lot of attention. You also have the Queen of Pentacles. Financial stability. You have the Two of Vessels. I think meron kang mga admirers. If you are in a relationship right now, it seems na maganda yung takbo ng relationship ninyo. Oo. May mga challenges, of course, pero kaya nyong i-handle. Oo. So, for some of you, you are gaining so much attention right now sa trabaho. Pwedeng nakikita nila na you are achieving a lot. Pinapakita mo yung talents and skills mo. May mga nakakapansin sa'yo, no? And then, if you are into social media, lalo na mas tumataas yung followers mo, mas dumadami yung viewers mo. So, somehow, you are achieving fame, no? Nagiging famous ka. And when it comes to your finances, I see na mas nagiging responsible ka na ngayon sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan. Some of you, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang commitment sa trabaho, sa business, pwede ring romantic commitment for some. But, yung iba, ang dami niyong ginagawa. Like, sobrang pagod. What is the Six of Staves? You have the Tower. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, unexpected success. Oo, biglaan ito. Alam mo yung tipong bigla ka nag-viral, bigla ka nag-trending. If you are in social media, na meron kang gagawing content na, whoops, biglang ang daming makakanood, ang daming mag-share, ganon. Parang hindi mo to inaasahan. Or there's unexpected attention na being drawn to you. Pwedeng meron kang naging successful ka sa isang bagay or aspeto sa buhay mo. Pwedeng may napanalunan ka na contest. Or ikaw yung binigyan ka ng recognition sa trabaho. Siyempre, makikilala ka kasi ipopost ka sa bulletin. Let's see. What is the Queen of Pentacles? You have the Daughter of Swords. I feel like you are learning a new source of income. Meron kang pinag-aaralan ngayon na pwedeng gusto mong maging negosyo or nakikita mo yung potential niya na pwede siyang maging source of income. Kahit ano man yan, no? So, you are doing your research. You have the Nine of Cups. Oh, happiness. Oh my God. Some of you Pisces, you are in love. I'm seeing meron ditong proposal. Yung iba naman sa inyo, if you are in the courtship, situationship sa relationship, may progress yung relationship ninyo. Pwedeng merong aamin ng feelings. And of course, the feeling is mutual, ganon. So, yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng relationship. Papasok sa isang relationship. And itong relationship na to is hindi siya basta-bastang relationship. This is something na you really want. You've been praying for. And for others naman, pwedeng I also see celebration with people, no? May mga celebration. And I think you will meet someone na like a soulmate energy, can be a friend, no? Hindi naman kailangan romantic lang lagi, but kumbaga magka-wavelength. Oo. Ganon. What is the Ten of Staves? You have the Three of Cups. A lot of work. So, some of you, meron kayong collaboration with a friend. Pwede tong, alam na, yung mga magkakaibigan gagawa ng sarili nyong business together or project together. But this will require a lot of work. Oo. Nangangailangan to ng matinding trabaho. And I also see na meron kang isa-celebrate na pinagtrabahuhan mo talaga. Dugot pawis, oo. You have Saturn in Aries in the first house. You have to take care of your health, no? Kasi maaring, first house kasi is about yourself, your physical body. Saturn is here. So, Saturn is about structure and discipline. So, it seems na when it comes to your health, no? Maaring meron kang mga steps na gagawin para maiayos yung iyong health, para magkaroon ka ng healthy lifestyle. You also have Moon in Gemini in the third house. I feel like you will be connecting with a lot of people. You will try to network. Oo. I feel like you're going to be more, parang mas magiging malapit ka sa ibang tao of sharing your feelings, ganon. And also, this is love for learning. So, I think you are, like what I mentioned kanina, meron ka pag-aaralan related sa finances, no? Na pwede mong pagkakitaan. There's also Saturn in 11th house. So, you will be, parang yung iba sa inyo, may mga kaibigan kayo na mawawala sa circle nyo, meron namang papalit na bago. Oo, parang paglilinis. Someone will gossip about all your secrets. So, ayun na nga, baka isa to sa issue. Na may nag-gossip, hindi na pagkakatiwalaan, so pwedeng mawala yan sa circle of friends mo. Oh my God, Pisces, someone is leaving your life. Romance, celebration, party. Yeah, some of you talaga papasok sa relationship or romantic connection. Successfully overcoming problems. So, iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga problema na mapagtatagumpayan. Oo. Some of you are also cutting connections sa mga tao sa paligid nyo na hindi totoo sa inyo. Patience. It is safe to wait. So, meron mga bagay na hindi pa ibibigay sa'yo, but ang importante is you are willing to wait. Kasi, sabi nga patience is a virtue. Great things come to those who wait. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.